Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Johnson. Today is day 4. In this lesson, we will learn 50 important English verbs. A verb is an action word. For example, eat, drink, walk, run. These are verbs. Let's learn them together. Please listen and repeat after me. Verb 1, go. Verb 2, come. Verb 3, walk. Verb 4, run. Verb 5, eat. Verb 6, drink. Verb 7, sleep. Verb 8, wake. Verb 9, read. Verb 10, write. Great. Let's continue. Verb 11, speak. Verb 12, listen. Verb 13, learn. Verb 14, study. Verb 15, teach. Verb 16, work. Verb 17, play. Verb 18, watch. Verb 19, see. Verb 20, look. Very good. Now the next 10 verbs. Verb 21, open. Verb 22, close. Verb 23, start. Verb 24, stop. Verb 25, buy. Verb 26, sell. Verb 27, give. Verb 28, take. Verb 29, help. Verb 30, call. Excellent. Let's learn more. Verb 31, ask. Verb 32, answer. Verb 33, love. Verb 34, like. Verb 35, need. Verb 36, want. Verb 37, think. Verb 38, know. Verb 39, understand. Verb 40, remember. Verb 40, remember. Wonderful. Now the final 10 verbs. Verb 41, forget. Verb 42, meet. Verb 43, wet. Verb 44, cook. Verb 45, clean. Verb 46, drive. Verb 47, travel. Verb 48, live. Verb 49, smile. Verb 50, laugh. Amazing. Now let's use some verbs in sentences. Repeat after me. I go to school. I go to school. I come home. I come home. I read a book. I read a book. I write a letter. I write a letter. I speak English. I speak English. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I learn every day. I learn every day. I work hard. I work hard. I help my friends. I help my friends. I smile every day. I smile every day. Excellent. Now let's practice a little conversation. What do you do? I study English. Do you read books? Yes, I read books. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. Can you help me? Yes, I can help you. Very good. Remember, verbs are the heart of every sentence. Without verbs, we cannot speak correctly. Practice these 50 verbs every day. So them aloud. Use them in simple sentences. This will improve your speaking skills quickly. Thank you for watching. In day 5, we will learn simple present tense. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.